Prefixes. A prefix is a letter, or group of letters, added to the beginning of a word, to form a new word, the meaning of which is, almost always different from, that of the original word. In some cases, a hyphen is used to separate the prefix from the word to which it is added. Adverbs. Adverb is a word that describes and tells us more about verb. Ali run quickly. Here quickly shows how Ali runs. Verb.